Hi boys and girls, in today's lesson for addition we're going to learn how to use partitioning of numbers to help us solve addition problems. Okay, first step though, we need to revise what partitioning means. We learnt this last term in our place value video lessons. So what that partitioning means is when we look at the number 63, this can be broken down into 60 because that's the value of the 6 in this number, and 3, because when 3 is in the ones column, it's worth 3. Let's have a go with 72. So 72 would be 70, and this part here would just be 2. And with the number 15, this would be 10, and the value of this number is 5. So that's what partitioning means. Now we're going to use that to help us when we solve some tricky addition problems. So let's have a look here. We've got 21 plus 13. When I first look at that, I think, oh my goodness, they're so big, those numbers. How am I going to add those together? But I'm going to use partitioning. So let's have a look at our first number here. We've got 20 and 1. Okay, and then this number here, we've got 10 and 3. So now what I do is I can either use a number board or I might be really clever and use my head. I'm going to add 20 and 10 together first because that's really easy. So if I was going to use a number board, I would start on 20 and count on 10 more, which would land me on 30. Then I can do the next part, which is 1 plus 3. So I'm on 30. And then 1 plus 3, so that's a count on fact, 3 plus 1, 4. Then I just, from 30, count on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 34. Okay, so I had 30, and then by adding those two together, then I added 1 and 3 together and got 4. So then I went 30, count on 4 more, my answer is 34. Let's practice that with another set of numbers. Okay, I have 33 plus 12. Well, they look like big numbers to add, but when I partition them, it's a lot easier. So let's partition 33. So that's 30 and 3. Okay, now I'm going to partition 12. That's 10 and 2. Okay, now I look at this part here, 30 and 10. Go over to my number board if I need to. There's 30. Count on 10 more. I would land on 40. Then now I do this part. 3, count on 2 more. Oh, I can do that in my head. 3, 4, 5. Now I join 40 and 5 together. So 40, count on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I land on 45. So that's my answer. 1 together. Okay, this time I've got the numbers 42 plus 21. First step, I'm going to partition them. So let's partition 42. That's 40 and 2. Partition 21, that's 20 and 1. Okay, now let's look at our tens first. 40 plus 20. Okay, go over to the number board. There's 40. Count on 20. So that would be 50, 60. Okay, now I do this part. 2, count on 1. Oh, easy peasy. That's 3. So now I've got 60 plus 3. Count on 3 more. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 63. Okay, guys, now that you understand how we can use partitioning to help us solve addition problems, I want you to head on back over to the wiki and check out what your practice task is. Remember, go and grab a hundreds chart to help you out